break room here. We have finished the break room. And we made sure we wipe all the counters down, countertops, inside the microwave. We have the tables, the chairs pushed up. And wipe the tops of the trash cans down to make sure our tops looking good. Wipe the tops of the shelves off and the water fountain. And we got a clean break room. Swept and mopped the floors, pushed the chairs back up, and got my rag, and we are out. Wipe the fingerprints off the door. A lot of grease and stuff on here, so. I cleaned that as best as I could. And in this building here, since they have so much grease on the floor, we actually use a scrubby on the bottom of the mop. It's easier to mop up some of the oil and the grime that's on the foot of the workers. Ladies' restroom. Wipe the toilet down, wipe the horizontal edges. These right here will be wiped. This right here will be wiped too. A lot of dust get on top of them. My people have been taking good care of it. A sink, mirrors. We're gonna make it to where they can use it and it doesn't get to the point where they cannot use it. They're supposed to use it. And so that's what we do. So you have a key. And the key goes in the top here. Turn it. Pop it open, toilet paper roll, you take off, you put a new one on. Now this side right here, when this gets low, you can slide this over here and then this side will work. We changed the toilet paper. Well, we do have the ladies' bathroom taken care of. We got the toilet seat, so we lift the toilet seat up and get around the toilet seat. These do not come off. Those do not come off, but the toilet seat taken care of. Lift it up and we put it down for the women. Trash, empty, sinks taken care of. I will throw this away. And the bathroom has been swept and mopped. We straighten up this closet. We like to have a clean environment to work from. I set my trash down here so I can take the trash out when I leave. Move the trash cans, get behind the trash cans. And another thing that I get when I get into the bathroom, we have to make sure we move these out of the way. So we got to get behind things. Nice and clean in here. Went in that bathroom, took care of everything. Everything's been looking good. Just checking on. I'm filling in for one of my teammates, so just want to make sure they're doing a good job behind the doors. A lot of time cleaners will come in and they will clean and they forget to go behind the door. If you're only doing the building once a month, then you should get there every time. If you're doing the building every day, you might can do it once a week. If you're doing a building once a week, get it every time. Because I have some buildings that I clean once a week. They don't get used that often. I can go behind the stuff every other week because they don't use the building that often. But beautiful. Working man. So we're just going to leave it so he can find all this stuff. I don't want to organize it because I know if I try to organize it, plus We don't do that, and if we did do that, he couldn't find some of his stuff and we could be liable. So we don't do none of that. So we just leave it there. Make sure I take care of this and we'll be done.